Use and setup of the Cybex VR1 for the front pull down in the seated row. You have a foot placement and a pad placement. The pad can be adjusted by pulling the knob and moving it up and down and recording the number in that circle for future use. The foot area is not adjustable. Select the weight you want to use by moving the pin on the main rack. For in-between weights, use the half plate. Just pull the yellow knob out and gently slide it down to rest on the rack. Proper form on the front pull down. Grab the handle shoulder width apart and pull the bar towards your upper chest. Use your shoulder blades to pull the bar down towards you. Exhale as you pull down. Do's and don'ts for the lat pull down. Make sure you lift your chest to meet the bar and squeeze your shoulder blades while controlling the weight all the way up and down. Don't lock your elbows at the top and don't let the weight pull you. The reverse grip pull down, proper form. Form on the reverse grip pull down is the same as the lat pull down, except your grip is reversed. The palms face you. You're still using the shoulder blades to pull the bar down, keeping your chest up and pulling the bar down to the upper chest. Keep your grip light and don't use your biceps. Seated row on the Cybex VR1 machine. Sit down and adjust the knee pad so it rests on your upper thigh. Grab the handle and get into perfect posture. Knees stay slightly bent and your feet on the footrest. Proper form, do's and don'ts for the seated row. You can start the row with the straight body and keep your chest up with good posture, looking straight ahead, pulling with the shoulder blades towards your lower chest. Control the weight and keep your abdominals tight. Don't move your whole body and don't round your shoulders. An alternate way of doing it is using the hip hinge. Keeping your back straight, hinge at the hips as you stretch forward and then begin the pullback with your shoulder blades. Make sure not to use your arms to do the pulling and keep your back tight as you go forward. Exhale as you pull back, keeping the abdominals tight, and be sure not to pop your wrist to try to pull that back further. The close grip row. Using the triangular handle for the close grip row. The form is the same as your seated row. The only difference is the handle. Continue to pull back by using your shoulder blades and getting them tight and squeezing them as you pull the handle towards you. Be sure to exhale as you pull back and tighten the abdominals. You can use the straight body or the hip hinge with this as well.